Hello students, welcome to our new lecture of advertising and promotion. The topic which we have got today is sales promotion. We are using this terminology again and again, but it is a little bit different from advertising. It is a tool of promotion. It is not advertising. It seems to be advertising, but it is something different from advertising, but comes under the cover of an umbrella. Okay, so sales promotion, what does it mean? What is the meaning of sales promotion? Obviously we are promoting the sale, we are increasing the sale, we are attracting the customers. This is called sales promotion. But how we are increasing our sale, how we are promoting our sale, how we are attracting customers? Obviously, by offering them some short-term incentives, by offering them some short-term gifts or low-priced gifts. This is called sales promotion. Like you are visiting different offices, different shops. Sometimes they are let's suppose you are purchasing shoes for your kid. So when you are purchasing shoes for your kids, they are also giving you a toy to your gift, to your kid. A toy is a gift to your kid. This is called sale promotion. You are going to a bank, the bank is giving you a diary notebook. So this is sale promotion. Or you are going somewhere, they are giving you a small keychain, Kiliban, which you are calling it Kiliban. So that is also a sale promotion. Or they are giving you calendars or year-wise calendar, Takvim. That is also called sales promotion. So, what this person says about sales promotion, it comprises of a collection of various tools. Various tools are included over here in the sales promotion, which are short-term in nature. These tools are short-term in nature. You are giving them, and that is used for a very short period of time. Like you are giving him a book or diary, so it is used for a short period of time. It's not like that you are giving him a car or something very durable. No, these tools which are used, they are short-term or one-time offer. Okay, it is used to generate faster response of consumers. Why we are using it? Actually, we are using it to generate the faster response of the consumer to purchase our product in bulk quantity and larger quantity, to encourage the short memory of the consumer, to attract them for one time purchase or two time purchase or for short period of time. So, sales promotion offers an incentive to the end users. An incentive, a gift to the end user means to the consumers. Actually, the person who is coming to purchase a product, to consume a product, you are giving him or her a small gift. Or we are also calling the small gift is incentive, a reward, jaiza. So why we are doing so? Actually, it add value to the product and motivate consumer. Obviously, it add values to the product. It increases the importance of the product. It increases the value of the product. Because customers like everything that is free. So he thinks that let's purchase this product because I will also gift the free gift with it attached to the product. So customers like free products very much. Okay. So this is called sale promotion. Sale promotion means a short-term incentive, which is an incentive which is short-term in nature, which we are using to attract our customers and to motivate them. So that's why we are giving different incentives or rewards to the consumer to attract them, to motivate them, to speed up our sales, to speed up our sales. That is called sales promotion. So why we are using the sales promotion, or what are the factors which encourage the use of the sales promotion? Use of sales promotion, there are several factors which have pushed the growth of sales promotion. There are many more factors which have increased the growth of the sale promotion, but commonly there are two major factors which have increased the sale promotion. Number one, internal factors. Number second, external factors. Number one, internal factors. Sale promotion is considered to be an effective tool to stimulate consumer traffic or customer traffic in shop and display centers by top managers. Top managers believe that actually they are pushing up, they are stimulating the consumer traffic or customer traffic in the shops and display centers, mean increase the number of the customers to come and purchase the product, because this product is having some attachments, some rewards, some incentives. So it's speeding up the traffic of the consumers, and this is the idea of the top manager. That's why they are using the sales promotion. This is internal factor number one. At the same time, secondly, there is greater pressure on the sales force to increase sale. Sales force, you know the meaning of sales force. Your employees who are responsible for selling a product, that is called your sales force. So there is greater pressure on the sales force, or they are given a specific target by the top management to sell the product. So that's why the sales force is also using the sales promotion, these gifts or rewards or incentives to sell the products. So these are two major internal factors. Number second is external factors. External factors, the number of products is increasing for every segment, means there is cutthroat competition. For one segment, let's suppose for school kids, the companies or the manufacturers who are manufacturing the shoes, school uniform shoes, the number of school uniform shoes producer is increasing day by day. National companies, international brand, global brand. So cutthroat competition is there. The competition is increasing day by day. Customers have become more deal oriented, demanding and less loyal. Nowadays customer is not loyal. He is not becoming loyal to only one product, because he has become more informative. He has got many more options to give an online order to purchase a product. Even sometimes they can purchase a product on installment, sometimes they can purchase a product on very less price. He can purchase a product of sale, there is sale, tahfeef. So he has got a lot of choices. That's why customer has become less loyal and more deal oriented and demanding. He is demanding a gift, he is demanding some added feature or value with the product or some reward, etc. That's why we are increasing the sales promotion to increase our sale. So thank you very much students. This was our today lecture. Be with me for coming classes. Stay at your homes. Be safe. Khuda Hafiz.